guys, I'm going to be opening up. I'm going to show you guys the newest things we just got in from China, and there are a whole lots of things here, actually needed items, because when I brought in some of the things, some of the things I brought in the last time, some people were saying they were expensive, blah blah blah. So I tried to get more affordable things for you guys. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about hairs. I'll be opening up hairs. I'll be showing you guys hairs. I'm importing hairs. I've had lots of requests on hairs. Oh, do you sell hairs? I want to buy hairs, blah blah blah. I'm going to be showing you guys. I'm going to be, I'm bringing in hairs. So guys, get ready. Water waves, straight, body, water curls, body waves, straight, blah blah blah. All of them are coming in. I have both human hairs and synthetic fiber, human hair blend, blah blah blah. All of them will be available, guys. So let's start up. I'm just going to rush through this video, okay? So if you're interested in any of this, do let me know. You'll see the number on the screen. Just contact that number. You can either WhatsApp me, or you can just put a call across and I will waybill to you. My location is Anambra City. A lot of people will ask, would be like, okay, oh, you're far away from me. If you're in Lagos, waybill is just 1,500. Abuja is actually 2,000 naira. So I always advise if you're buy in bulk. So let's know, without any further ado, I know my shirt is looking so big, guys. Without any further ado, let's get into this. So number one, we have these different types of these small styrofoam mannequins. They are very, very affordable. Okay, I think these are the kind of cheapest mannequins you can ever come across, you can ever get. You can use this for ventilating, yes. So I don't even know where I'll be keeping all these things. Okay. We still have the expensive ones, so God, I'm just throwing this away so I can show you guys the next things we have. Then we still have this type, this Convex Head. This is still available. Now we still have this little baby here. You guys can see, still very much available. Then I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, let me just take this to a table where you guys can see it clearly, because I don't know, showing you guys all these things on camera is a little bit. So let me take you to the table. So guys, you can see what we have here. You can see these C-pins with some of this. This is very available right now. You can see these other pins for holding on your nets to your mannequin head. Okay. So there are different colors of this. You just pick the ones you want, the color you want. We have so many different colors. So you pick the one you want and we build them to you. I felt I should show you guys what this one is really like right here, because I need you guys to see what it's like. So I'm talking about this hair grip here. This is very, very good if you don't want your wig to go anywhere. So you just pick a color that is closest to your skin color. We have so many colors here. Okay, sorry guys, you can see my ears are sticking out. That's how they are naturally. And I'm just gonna, once you place it, guys, it just sticks, like it's not going anywhere. It just sticks. You can see the reflection. You see it's like my skin. So with this, your wig is going nowhere, like guys. Woo, it's going nowhere, guys. It's going, your wig is going nowhere. You see that? They call it wig gripper or whatever. So we have different colors, and of course I know you know what this is, the edges tattoos. So guys, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this. I don't know if it's today, but I'll try and see if I can do it today. So guys, we have so many of this. I just got about I think 10 of them. So if you want any design, there are different designs, you let me know. I'm just showing you guys some of the things we have here. So you can order for as many as you want. Let's see what's going on. So we have this net. So depending on, this net, okay, you can use this for crochet. You can also use it for whatever you want to use it for. Then we have this other net as well, which is also available for sale. Then we have some crochet noodle. Oh god, I can get it. It's quite easy. You can see that. So it was actually a customer that made me get this. So in case you want it, it's available. Next are this. You can see the thickness of this one. I don't know if you can see. We have the smaller ones and we have the big ones. Actually, the big ones are thinner. They are thinner. They are more transparent than the smaller ones. But the smaller ones are actually cheaper. So you pick the one you want. We have so many of this in stock. Just place your order. No man, no man, no man, no man. My covenant is you. Sorry, I don't think I'm a very good singer. So these are, you know what these are. Okay, so we have this actually in 2 different colors. I also decided to get the brown of it just in case. Okay, depending on the lace color. And so we have more grips, hair grips right here. We grip, you can see this type. Then we have this other type. Okay, the one I just showed you, I have them in more different colors as well. So just in case you're using maybe a white wig or something, you can just use it. Then we have this type of net as well. And then this, you can see what we have here. You can order for that as well. Then we have more ponytail caps. We have ponytail caps. So depending on the size you want, there are 2 different sizes actually. Then did I mention this to you? We have this type of wig, elastic wig holder, whatever. Whatever. Guys, we have this. These are what is it called? These are hackers. Is it hackers? Something like that. I'll show the real name. So this is used for holding your human hair while ventilating. This helps to separate the different lengths available. So there are different sizes actually. So this is the smaller size and this is the bigger size. So depending on the one you want, we all have T-pins, small T-pins. So this is for those of you that want to be making these caps like 360 and full lace caps. Of course, you know what this is. You know what it's used for. Okay, so if you want to be making it yourself, you can also order. And their grips are also available. And then we still have more of this. I had to get this again because the last ones I got, I sold off everything so fast. You know, this thing is very perfect for ventilating. Then we still have more. I actually prefer to get this. I know it's more expensive than the regular smaller one, but this is better because it's when you place it on the floor, it stays. Not the one maybe when you're trying to brush your wig, is moving around. This one is a lot more stable. So I advise people to get it. And then we have more, of course, ventilating needles in different types. If you want to buy the stick, I have just these ones available now. They are finished. I just decided to sell off before getting new ones. Then we have just the pins. Okay, then we have the crochet needles, the tiny ones, just in case you don't know how to use the real ventilating needle, you can get this one. Then we have skull caps, all browns. Okay, I think I still have, okay, we still have blonde. I hope this is blonde. Okay, that's not blonde. I thought we still have blonde. Have I sold off everything? Seriously? There are some things I decided I was just, okay, we have only browns now. Only browns are available right now. So we have some mixing items for mixing, whatever you want to mix, your bleach, whatever, everything is here. So we have this as well. And then we have this type of ponytail, what's it called? Wig net, yeah. So, and that is it, guys. Before I round it up, we have lace. I mean, what am I even talking about? Who sells wig tools without mentioning this major guys right here? Guys, I got more of this. These are real original Swiss lace. You can see they're transparent. Oh my gosh, look at that. Then we have this. We have the light brown. That's the dark brown. Let me just place it. I'm about to show you guys something. This is way lighter than me. Then let me show you guys something, a new lace I got. And guys, this lace is so transparent with all skin colors. So I'll go outside and do a video of this for you guys. Okay, guys, I had to come out to show you guys what this lace is like. You can see it goes with my skin color and it's very transparent. It goes with all skin colors. It goes with every skin color, light skin, dark, whatever. It's just your complexion. Okay, so that's it. So guys, I'm done. I'm done showing you guys what we have in stock for now. Like I said earlier, my next video will be on hair, so please do turn on your notification bell so you'll be alerted immediately I put up the video for that. So I hope this video was interesting and I hope you were able to find 1 or 2 things you would want to buy. And in case you want something and it's not available here, please do let me know and I will import them. Okay, so do have a wonderful time. Bye bye.